Gotta get a little start up to get this vlog rolling. What's going on, guys? So I'm pretty sick. I've already been to the doctor and everything, got some antibiotics, but my head feels like it's about to explode. But Jacob is putting in a 12mm CP3 pump today in his LBZ. So I just got off work and we're gonna go over there, but I am in serious need of some energy boost. So I'm gonna go to the Chevron and hopefully they have this drink. I'm gonna show y'all, because they're always sold out and I don't see anyone drinking it. You know, you got the typical people on YouTube drinking like Monster, Red Bull, the Bangs, stuff like that. But I'm gonna show y'all what you need to get. So here is my new addiction, completely thanks to Randall for getting me hooked on these things. They don't even take, like, they're good, but they're not like amazing. Like, I love Red Bull, the flavor, but it also makes my heart race, so I can't drink them. But this stuff, dude, is so good. It's under $2 a piece. Some places it used to be like $1.35. It's gone up a little bit, I guess, just due to popularity. They're hard to find. I racked up on a couple of them just now, but dude, if you haven't, try one of these. They're amazing. Yo, on the real, how beautiful is it out here? Like, it's just awesome. Green grass. Oh, I'm about to sneeze. Okay. Kind of wanted to do a little montage out here. I might want to go to leave. Oh, my head feels like it's about to explode though, but yeah, it's sick out here. Yo, say what's up to the sick vlog.
Hello. Oh, we're talking about everybody here.
Okay, sick. I'll just, you know.
You sick?
Bro, new gun.
New gun, new hang. Is this filming?
Yeah, it's filming, but
oh, shoot.
I'm demonetized now though, thanks for the gun.
It's a BB gun.
Okay, that doesn't matter.
It's a BB not gun. You can't say the G word.
That's an airsoft gun.
Duck's getting big quick.
That's a different one.
Hey, go, Ducky. What's his name? Her name?
Diesel.
Got any grapes?
Diesel. What's up, Jacob?
What's up, dude?
How's she going?
She's coming. Got
There's a lot of stuff missing.
yeah. Just got the new CP3 in there. Got 12mm CP3. S&S diesel. And got enough fuel now for 1,000 horsepower.
That's what's up.
Yeah. Now I just need more air.
24 hours on antibiotics, so everybody should be safe.
You feel better?
I don't outside because I feel like the pollen magnifies it, and my eyes almost pop out.
We're gonna go to hit Burger King up. We're gonna hit up the Sourdough King. Bacon and cheese only, maybe?
Whataburger?
I don't like
Bacon.
Whataburger.
Spice bacon. Sweeten.
If you want
Add something.
If you want Whataburger, we'll go there.
I want to go there.
You ready? Let's go. You going with us, Chase?
Yeah,
All
I
right.
will.
So we gotta put the alternator on and then hook up the rest of my harness. Got a few connections here and then put the intake on and we'll be done. And the belt, gotta put the belt on too. And then we'll roll from there. It's gonna be smoky, that's for sure, until I get another turbo on it.
Yeah.
But yeah, getting all this buttoned up.
That's it.
Do it again.
Is this some diesel?
Yeah,
This is the realest thing
the
ever.
Diesel Rover.
On bags.
Yeah, it's got slammed right now.
Factory bags. There's a dog on bags.
Don't you do it.
Those things are everywhere.
Those are cool pets.
Bro, that thing gonna light you up. Oh. Dive bombing. that turtle?
Yes.
There's a turtle, bro. Go get it and we'll choke it in the pond. Yeah, that's part of the vlog. Here we go.
Yeah,
Grab
Oh, don't claw me. Oh my god.
Bro, bring him in for a close-up. Dang. It's like this water's so cold, I don't want to go back in there. Oh, he gone.
We still going?
Yeah, I'm just, you know. Now you can tell us a story.
Alright, what are we going to store we're gonna tell?
Well, I walked up to a lemonade
Yeah,
stand.
tell us about Gatlinburg, the hat. Don't say names though.
Alright, so we was friends of ours.
Nah, we can't tell that story.
Hey Dalton, where are the horses at?
They're in the back.
You know what, you can say that when you have a Lamborghini.
When that Lambo coming in?
Before 125.
You need ketchup for the sweet and spicy burger?
I feel like ketchup on that would just ruin it.
Do you need anything on this? No? Okay, let me keep it for a little bit longer.
I'm gonna have to go scrape it off. Dang, shout out Whataburger guy, he was cool.
Let me go scrape it off. That face is just like, oh no.
Oh no, he don't want that ketchup. I just used half a bottle. Old Logan done got him a new Jeep.
You know Randy's really crying.
Boy, you gonna put him on blast?
Randy's really crying. I don't have to gear in their Jeep.
I feel like black is the best color on them. They don't look awkward like I feel the other ones kind of look awkward.
I like the green. I like the drop.
Smells like skullberry in here.
Roll up windows, yes.
Dude, look at Logan over here flexing on Randall again with a tachometer. Swear.
You gonna paint these white?
Gear, was that a crack at me?
It was. That fades off these good monkeys.
It was a
That
joke.
boy hating, boy. You can be honest. You can tell me you don't like them.
I do like it. I like the white hooks.
What's wrong with these gear?
There's nothing.
What's wrong with
What's wrong with the hook?
I don't like.
It ain't no
I don't have
pat
a
hook.
problem with the hook.
It ain't no pat hook.
I knew he was going there.
Pat.
Oh no.
Oh no, Randy.
Sounds good. Nasty. What's up? Anywhere? I think we're going over to Gears. You're on the vlog, say what's up. Yeah, I think we're going to Gears. I'm gonna go home, walk Schubert. And then see Loganda got the Jeep.
24 in a couple weeks.
I'll be 26.
Well guys, hopefully you did enjoy this random vloggity vlog. Pretty different than the usual stuff, but wanted to try it out. So it's probably all over the place, but hopefully you did enjoy a little D-Max action, a little bit of everything. So y'all let me know if you did like this style of video, and I'll catch y'all on the next one.